Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical camping kitchen table, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from a camping kitchen table, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping kitchen tables from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Master Cookstation Portable Folding Kitchen Table. Upgrade your outdoor cooking experience with the GCI Outdoor Master Cookstation Portable Folding Kitchen Table. Designed for camping, tailgating, picnics, and outdoor adventures, this ultimate outdoor kitchen features a heat-resistant aluminum tabletop, allowing you to safely use a camp stove. It includes 3 durable side tables, a soft-shell sink, a storage rack, and a paper towel holder, giving you all the comforts of home wherever you go. The telescoping pole lets you attach a lantern for nighttime cooking, while the slim fold technology ensures easy setup and compact storage. Measuring 22.2 into 70.1 into 68.3 inches, this modern lightweight kitchen station is built for convenience and portability. Whether you're grilling at a tailgate, prepping meals at a campsite, or setting up a picnic, this all-in-one cooking station has got you covered. Cook, clean, and organize with ease. Number 2. Mountain Summit Gear. Heavy-duty, roll-top table for camping, kitchen table. Take your outdoor adventures to the next level with the Mountain Summit Gear Heavy-Duty Roll-Top Camping Kitchen Table. This lightweight yet sturdy table features a durable aluminum tabletop and a weather-resonant steel frame, supporting up to 70 lbs while remaining easy to carry. Perfect for camping, meal prep, dining, picnics, and even gaming, it provides a large, stable surface for all your outdoor needs. Designed for convenience, this folding camping table sets up in just 1 minute, making it an essential addition to any campsite. Plus, it comes with a compact carrying bag for effortless transport and storage. Measuring 47-inch wide, 28-inch depth, 28 height, and weighing just 15.5 lbs, it balances portability with durability. Whether you're cooking in the wild or enjoying a meal under the stars, this roll-top table is the ultimate camping companion. Set up, pack up, and adventure with ease. Number 3. KingCamp Aluminum Folding Table Roll-Up Portable Camping Kitchen Table. The KingCamp Aluminum Folding Table is the ultimate portable camping kitchen table, designed for ease and durability on your outdoor adventures. With a large 42.1 into 27.6-inch tabletop, this table comfortably fits 2 to 4 people, offering plenty of space for meal prep or a picnic. The triangular stent design allows for easy legroom and comfort, while the aluminum alloy top ensures rust and corrosion resistance, perfect for tough outdoor conditions. Weighing only 13.1 beds, it's incredibly portable, folding down into a compact size 41.3 into 8.6 into 5.9 inches, and comes with a carrying bag for easy transport. This easy-to-assemble roll-up table requires no tools, making it quick to set up or pack down. Whether you're camping, tailgating, picnicking, or hosting a beach BBQ, the KingCamp table is a must-have for your next outdoor adventure. Durable, practical, and multifunctional. Number 4. Nice Portable Folding Cooking Station Camping Grill Kitchen Table. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the Nice Portable Folding Cooking Station Camping Grill Kitchen Table. This all-in-one kitchen station features a light stand and a windshield to protect your cooking from the elements, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable cooking session no matter the weather. Its foldable design makes it super portable, folding down to a compact size 31.5 into 22.1 into 4.7 inches, and weighing just 20.4 lbs, so you can easily transport it to your campsite or beach. The table includes a detachable organizer, 4-layer storage racks, and 4 hooks for hanging your pans or bags, making it perfect for storing all your cooking essentials. Plus, it's made with waterproof material, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're grilling at a campsite or hosting a beach BBQ, this durable and spacious kitchen table has everything you need. Number 5. The Seeutek Aluminum Portable Outdoor Cooking Foldable Camping Kitchen Table. The Seeutek Aluminum Portable Outdoor Cooking Foldable Camping Kitchen Table is the ultimate solution for your outdoor cooking needs. With a spacious 68.5-inch long, 16.5-inch wide, 43.5-inch height size, it offers ample space for food prep. Featuring 2 aluminum side tables, 2 layers of countertops, and 3 zippered bags for convenient storage. The sturdy X-shaped aluminum alloy frame ensures stability and durability, with a 33-inch weight capacity on both the tabletop and side tables. Designed with a steel windscreen to protect your stove from wind, this table guarantees more effective cooking. Its premium aluminum material is both lightweight and durable, and it's easy to clean after use. Thanks to its foldable design, this table is portable and simple to set up, making it perfect for camping, picnics, BBQs, and backyard parties. Get ready to cook with ease and style wherever your adventures take you. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.